How to correctly process rewards through the Poster register. Whichever integration option you choose for 7-Stamp and Poster, there is one crucial step you need to take care of in advance. You must decide exactly how you will process rewards within the Poster POS system. This is critical to ensure that inventory is deducted correctly and that your register balances perfectly at the end of the day. Overall, we have identified 3 proven ways to do this. The first option is using certificates as a payment method. This is a perfect cashless approach that works wonders, for example, when issuing rewards via vouchers. If you want to give a customer a free coffee or another reward, you set up a special gift card payment method in Poster. When closing the receipt, the cashier simply selects this option. The item is officially deducted from inventory and logged in reports, but the amount of live cash in the drawer remains unchanged, preventing any discrepancies. The second option, which establishment owners use very often, is manual promotions. You set these up ahead of time in the Poster admin panel under the marketing section. Usually, these promotions are used to apply discounts in percentages, fixed amounts, or to activate special pricing. By the way, to ensure smooth system operation, Poster itself often recommends setting the promotional price not to an absolute 0, but to at least 1 kopeck. At the right moment, the cashier simply adds a regular item to the order, goes to Promotions, and selects the required preset. The price updates, the discount applies, and the financial reporting stays perfectly transparent. The third option is creating a dedicated promotional item. You can add a separate category or duplicate positions to your menu, for example, cappuccino promo. For these items, you set a special promotional price, either €0 or that same symbolic 1 kopeck. The main thing is to link this promo item to the exact same recipe or stock category as the original product so that ingredient deduction happens automatically. When 7-Stamp signals an instant reward, the cashier simply adds this promo position to the receipt. Choose the method that best fits your establishment's business operations, or combine them for different types of rewards. This will protect your staff from errors and improvisation and save your accounting team from headaches during reporting. Subscribe to the channel, and in our next videos we will break down each operating mode in practice and in full detail. See you soon. See.